Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I, Talha Shahid, will tell you about how to analyze your data within a Jupyter notebook. First of all, I would like to import Pandas as PD and import NumPy as NP. Secondly, I would like to see the path where should I put my data. Thirdly, I would make the Jupyter to read my data frame by this command. Movie data. Now, first of all, I will tell you about how to select multiple columns within your data frame. So I would like to set one name for multiple column. Movie actors. One name. Name. Three name. I would like to see these columns. See, these are the columns I selected to see. Same is the case if I would like to see only one column, then suppose director name. Head. See, only one column has been shown here. Now I would like to see which type of data is present in my database, movie database. Again, movie. Now I would like to set index here. This index here is movie title. Now I would like to see the data type within my database. Thirteen float, integer 64, object 11. Now I would like to see only one type of data, float, integer or object. For this I would like to use this command. Suppose float 64. Head. This float 64 data is present in my database. Now if I would like to filter my columns, that I want to see only those columns which present the name like suppose Facebook, then These are the columns that present Facebook in their names. Facebook, Facebook. Now, if we want to see a column containing a digit somewhere in their names, then we use the command regex. Its symbol is D. Integers, digit in their names, digit. Now, ordering columns again. This movie, movie dot. See, I had never not set index here, so this simple letter is present here. Now I will tell you how to order your columns according to your need. For this, we have to first see the columns. These are the columns that are not present in our way. So I would like to set column in this order, like Discord, movie title year, content rating, genres. Discord will have these columns, this people will have these columns, this other will have these columns. Now this is the new set of our columns. So I had given the name this movie 2, and these are the new columns that I have set in the way I want to see. Now I would like to tell you how to see the size, shape, dimension, length, etc. of your data. Again, movie CSV movie dot shape. Sorry, we should not use brackets here. These are the rows and these are the column present in data. Now if we want to see the size, means multiple of both. This is the size. Now if we want to see the dimension and dim to two-dimension data. Now if we want to see the rows only, how much rows is present in our data, then movie dot counts. If you want to see how much rows are present within one column, count only, sorry, counts not. In color there is 4897. In directory name there are 4814 rows like this. Now if you want to see the minimum of the values in the given object, then we use this. Now the whole statistics is defined in this one man describe. What's the error has no trip describe. Okay, silly spelling mistake here. Count means and ignition mean 25%. These are all the calculation of statistics. Now if we want to see the percentile, then percentiles is equal to 0.01 plus 0.03 plus 99. See, these are the percentiles we want to see. 0.01, 3, 99. Now if we want to see the null values within our data frame, then movie dot is null dot sum. These are the null values that are present within our data frame. If we want to execute null values, then movie dot min is used to execute null values. Now I would like to show how to use mathematical operators within your data frame. Sorry, first of all, I would like to tell you how to fill up the null values. For this purpose, we use movie dot select the types object dot fill now whatever you want to fill dot max. In this way, the null values will be filled up. Now I would like to show you how to use mathematical operators within your data frame. For this, I would use different data, college suppose, college data, PD, data slash college. CSV. Within this, I would like to set index here, index call. Sorry. Okay, now I would like to see the undergraduate data, undergraduate students data. For this, UGDS underscore is equal to college. Same command we would like to filter, like all the column present UGDS will be shown to us by this command UGDS. Okay, now UGDS white, UGDS black, blah. Now, if we want to add up, suppose in this we want to add 1. For this purpose, you like plus 1. See, if we want to round if you want round figure data, then plus 1. We use table slash for that purpose. 0.01. This means floor division to round to the nearest whole number percentage. See, this is the nearest whole number percentage. Now if we select this and if we want to divide it by 100, then divide by 100. See, this is the result. Now if we want to compare null values, then np dot none is equal to np dot none. False. Python's none object basically evaluates as true. Say known is equal to known. See, here I want to say that Python's none object evaluates as true. Okay. If 5 not equal to np.none, then we would like to use this command np.none true. Now if you want to self-compare our data, college data, then compare with each column. undergraduate UGDS is equal to, we are comparing undergraduates college with undergraduates college. Now we would like to see what is the result of this. This is the result of this. Now, if we would like to compare all, dot all command is used. All command is basically used to compare two data frames with one another on an element by element basis. See. Now transposing the direction of data frame operation. Same command will be used here. Then we would like to see how much data is present in one column. Same command is used. GDS times. Okay. Sorry, count, only count. These are the rows present in each column. If we would set axis to 1, axis 1 means column. What's the error here? Head. Okay, sorry. This is the result. Head. Insert the cell below. Now if we want to see the null values within our columns, then college, same command is null dot is null dot sum axis set to 1 dot sort values. Ascending is equal to false. These are the null values. If we want to drop all the null values, then college usually undergraduates is college usually undergraduates dot Drop now is used for that purpose. How is equal to finally. If we want to see the sum of, if now we see the sum of the values of null, then see the result of drop now here. See, zero null values here. Now, if we would like to see diversity matrix, diversity matrix dot values slash counts. Sorry, we have to first define the name of diversity matrix. Access set to columns. Okay. Now, if we want to see the value counts of the diversity matrix, then this so this is the pandas use of Jupyter, how we use it to analyze your data. Thank you for seeing my video.